Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the Y300 uses a hybrid SIM tray. That determines the only viable method. Once done, power off the phone and remove the tray with the eject tool. Make sure you have a thin dual SIM adapter made for hybrid trays. It fits where the micro SD would go. You need both nano SIMs trimmed to correct size and a steady hand. This step prevents bending pins. Proceed carefully, because damage here prevents any dual SIM success. Now, take the adapter and align the secondary nano SIM so its gold contacts face down and match the phone tray orientation. Place the primary SIM in the main slot as usual, and then seat the adapter into the hybrid slot where a micro SD would normally go. Once seated, press gently so both SIMs sit flush and the adapter does not protrude. If you feel resistance, back out and recheck alignment. Forcing it can bend the tray or damage contacts. Slide the tray back in straight and evenly. Do not wiggle or force it. Power the phone on, then open Settings and go to SIM Card Management to enable and label each line. Make a test call and use mobile data on each SIM to verify operation. If one SIM is not detected, power off, remove the tray, reseat both SIMs and adapter, then retry. Troubleshooting tip: if detection still fails, try a different thin adapter. Some cheap adapters are misaligned and cause no service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.